If you book people as a regular part of what you do, including clients, candidates, guests, or prospects, you already know what a broken booking process is costing you and your business. It's time you cannot get back. It's payments that get complicated. It's people who fall through the gap when moving between one tool and the next. And importantly, it leaves a first impression that undermines everything else you've built inside your business. Now, I created the guest booking system because I've gotten tired of paying that price. I ran a booking system inside my own business for over 11 years, and for most of that time it held together just fine, until it didn't. 5 different tools stitched together, an intake form on one platform, scheduling on another, payments on a third, automated emails on a fourth, and my own inbox doing another job that all of them missed entirely. And the more I grew, the more the cracks started to show. And I knew this was a temporary solution to a bigger problem. So I stopped waiting for someone to build the right tool for me, and I built it myself. And here's exactly how the guest booking system works. You get your own booking page. You share one link with every client, candidate, or prospect you want to book. They land on that page, fill in their application, pick a time directly from your live calendar, and if you charge a fee, which is completely optional by the way, they pay it right there and then via Stripe before the booking is confirmed. It's one step, no back and forth, no chasing. You then log into your dashboard, review the application, and approve it with one click. Or you can set the platform to automatically approve each booking. The choice is yours. From that moment, the platform handles everything. An automated email confirmation is sent, and a reminder email is delivered just before the session. And if you choose, all pre-session communication can stay inside the platform. This means no more client tracking you down across email, phone, or SMS. And 1 hour after the session ends, the guest booking system automatically sends a feedback request form and starts building you a testimonials page that you can share anywhere. Every booking, every payment, every message, every application, one screen, nothing lost, nothing manual, nothing is ever overlooked or forgotten. Business coaches and consultants use it to screen and qualify every client before a discovery call is confirmed, so the only people who get their attention are the right people. Whereas PR professionals use it to book and manage one-to-one client sessions and media appearance opportunities, with an intake process that means nothing falls through the cracks and no opportunity is ever wasted. And for anyone else who offers high-value one-to-one work, where one missed booking or a poorly handled intake costs real money, use the guest booking system to make sure that never happens again. So whatever you do, if booking the right people is core to how your business runs and the current process is costing you time, money, or credibility, this platform was built for you. You already know the problem, and today you're going to fix it with the guest booking system.